Yeah, it's about time you trim those. It's not easy being a puppet with those talons poking me.
Dude, do you know how many hangnails I get from your fabric every time we power up?
Joey!
Heading off to work now. Don't forget Bubbles' appointment at the pet parlor, okay? Atta boy. Tell you what, I'll even pick up something special for dinner.
Tacos?
You're ridiculous. I meant for Bubbles.
That's right, I'm talking about you. The most beautiful kitty cat in the world. I'll call you later, Joey.
Well, I guess I'm taking Bubbles to the pet salon now.
That vile creature would eat anything.
Attention all units. We've got an FBD in progress.
Yes! Saved by a crisis!
Thank you, Police Scanner app. Hoo-hoo! But what's an FBD?
Who cares? It's atomic! Would you mind putting on some pants?
Oh, right.
It's atomic time!
Gross!
Let me handle this. I'm fluent in cup talk. Hey, fellas. Got word from dispatch that we got an FBD in progress. Thought you might need a little backup. See what I did there? Cup talk.
Stay back. We got this.
All right, come on with your hands up. Keep that clutch where I can see it. Careful, careful.
Whoa, those are fresh. Give me that Boston cream.
Fresh batch of donuts. Nice work, Ricky. Welcome to the force.
We flew all the way here for that. Yellow?
Joey, you at the pet parlor yet?
I'm almost there.
Good, good. I'm glad I caught you. You know, I've been thinking, a certain member of the family deserves something special for his outstanding behavior.
Aw, that's okay, Dad.
No, I insist. Make sure Bubbles gets the royal treatment. Nothing but the best for our furry little king, okay? Okay.
Royal Spa. Got it. Ugh. Bubbles, where are you? Whoa, did you see that? AP, you gotta check this out. Bubbles? Oh, now I really need to take you to the pet parlor. What happened to the park? And what are you doing out here anyway?
Me? Oh, I was just on an evil rampage because I'm evil. You might as well throw me into the sun. It's the only way I'll learn.
Yeah, right.
Oh, what? Like it's not even a possibility?
Okay, Bubbles, time to go.
Mega City 7 breaking news. Terror strikes the heart of a megacity neighborhood as a giant furry creature was seen uprooting trees and discoloring lawns. Keeping you informed, I'm Rex Bordeaux.
Whoa, that must have been what destroyed the park. You're lucky you didn't get hurt.
Nobody discolors the lawns of this fair city on my our watch.
Wait here, Bubbles. We'll be back in a flash.
Say cheese.
I knew it!
What?
Just watch.
I only know one cat who has a post-litter box ritual like that. Bubbles! No, it can't be. Whoa, easy, big fella. Oh, we gotta figure out a way to... Bubbles, stop it! Oh, for the love of...
That's Disastro, all right.
But how'd he get like this?
My theory, this is his true evil form. He's been biding his time as a common house cat until the time was right. So, we send him into the sun.
No way. Something or someone did this to him. Hey, Bubbles! It's me, your buddy, Joey.
Allow me. All right, Disastro, the jig's up. So, ever been to the sun? I hear it's real nice this time of day. See what I did there? Cat talk. Well, apparently someone doesn't understand cat talk.
Oh, great, it's my dad.
Tell him I said hi. From inside his evil cat's mouth! Shh.
Hey, Dad. Kinda busy right now.
Busy? With Bubbles, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's a relief. There's a giant furry monster on the loose. I'd hate for that thing to get him.
No, he's in good hands. Oh, my dad's gonna kill me.
Oh, yeah? How's he gonna do that? Gonna come find us in his cat's belly?
Whoa, what's that?
Ew! I told you that cat would eat anything.
That's gotta be what turned Bubbles into Catzilla. Uh-oh, you know what that sound means?
Hang on, Joey! That's the mother of all hairballs! That's it. That ugly lump of a cat just earned himself a one-way ticket to that big yellow ball in the sky.
This isn't his fault, dude. We gotta get that stupid hairball out of him.
I've got an idea.
Oh, I got it. Nice thinking, AP. Pull harder, AP!
I'm trying!
Bubbles, are you okay?
How about you bond with Little Disastro later? We've got trouble!
You stay right here, buddy, and don't eat anything.
That thing's headed straight for the city!
Not for long, it ain't. Okay, we just gotta snare it into the net and then...
Wait, am I gonna get thrown into the sun?
You know what? It's cool, but I'm kind of disappointed.
Man, you kids these days are so impatient. Boom!
Oh, great. Where's Bubbles? Bubbles! Oh, how am I gonna explain this?
I say we just toss him back.
Hey, Dad.
I'm heading home. You want me to pick you up from the pet parlor?
No, I'm already on my way.
Great! I can't wait to see my magnificent little guy.
We gotta go. Quick, down there!
Joey!
Hey, Dad.
Oh, there he is! What the? Wow, the pet parlor really outdid themselves this time. Great job, Joey. Looks like my little man earned himself something special.
Tacos? Yes! Wait, these are for me, right?
What, you don't want to share with your old man?
Victory Taco!
Joey, faster! Faster!
We're cutting it close!
Welcome to Mega Cities Mysteries. I'm Rex Bordeaux. Today, Sasquatch? Or just a hairy dude in need of some manscaping?
Dude, go long.
It's atomic time.
Hello, Warren.
Hello, Joey Felt. Guess what I've got?
Are you spying on me and my, pets? Hamster?
If by hamster you mean that filthy sock you put on your hand to become atomic puppet, then yes.
That's just my new costume for Atomic-Con.
I think you're lying.
Whatever.
And I have proof.
Okay, you got me.
I knew it!
Yeah, Atomic Puppet's my best friend. You happy now?
Really? You expect me to believe that?
Oh, yeah. In fact, he came over last night to watch Mega City Mysteries.
Oh, then you and your BFF will most certainly enjoy watching yourselves on Rex's TV show when I blow your secret identity wide open.
AP! Beasley knows about us!
What? Oh, I could see it now. Earth's greatest, most handsome, amazing superhero, Captain Atomic, turned into a living puppet!
What about my family? Oh, I don't even want to imagine what could happen. Oh, man, we need to think of something. I got it. We just gotta figure out a way to throw Warren...
Into the sun? Oh, now you're talking.
No, we gotta figure out a way to throw him off track. Oh, if only there was a way to be in two places at once. Nah, that's ridiculous.
Whoa! Pump the brakes. That idea's not ridiculous at all.
Hey, Roboron! Heard you got something for us. Whoa!
Clearly not as handsome as the real me, but it'll do.
You rock, Roboron, mightiest member of the Justice Alliance.
Whoa, that's not gonna work. Ron, come on. We gotta give it some personality here. Eradicate evil and deliver atomic justice to supervillains.
Whoa! Up high, Atomic Bro! Up high. Oh, dude, I said hit me up high. You know, like up high. Then you hit me down low. Down low. He's just saying warning. The android will literally take you literally over and over.
Oh, now you tell us? All right, we've got a job to do, Mr. Literal. Now let's fire it up!
Come on, it's time to take some pics. Oh, hey, Warren. Did you get my email?
No, but I got one from Atomic Puppet. Oh, wait. You're the same person. Enhance! Look, I can even see your little puppet taking the picture.
What? That? No. That's just some stupid cat toy. Hey, Bubbles! Here, kitty!
Save your story for Mr. Bordeaux.
Joey!
Bubbles! No!
A cat toy?
Sorry, dude. I panicked. Sorry, dude. Cat toy. Panic.
Oh, great. It's gone haywire.
No, it's learning. That's it. We'll train him for a little face-to-face with Warren. Okay, a thumbs up means good. A thumbs down means bad. You try. Thumbs up!
Thumbs down.
Android dude, you gotta loosen up. Loosen up!
And where does evil go? To the Megamax prison facility. Well, sure, sometimes we do that. But mostly we toss evil into the sun. Into the sun. Oh, come on, not into the sun. You gotta say it like you mean it. Evil, you have a date with the sun! Oh, now we're talking. Scanning Mega City for Beasley Unit. Target acquired.
Right on. So now just put us down over there.
Slowly!
There you have it. Mystery solved. The ghosts in this haunted house were, in fact, just sheets draped over furniture. I'm Rex Bordeaux, blah, blah, blah.
Mr. Bordeaux! Mr. Bordeaux, Mr. Bordeaux!
Beat it, kid.
But I'm your biggest fan.
Go on.
My name's Warren Beasley, and I have the scoop of the century. Atomic Puppet is my neighbor, Joey Felt.
Hey, Warren, buddy, what's up?
The jig is what's up. That kid is Atomic Puppet.
This spaghetti arm boy is our city's champion.
All right, we'll go on then. Put that puppet on your hand and prove me wrong.
No?
Oh,
Action. Get in tight.
Joey, is everything all right?
What? But how can that be?
Sorry, kid. Your story's a dud.
Wait, come back! I can prove it, I swear!
Love your work, Mr. Bordeaux. Oh, hey, Warren. Want to get a picture with Atomic Puppet?
All right, I was wrong. I get it. You don't have to rub it in.
You think we went too far?
I don't know, Joey. Maybe you're right. Maybe we should go apologize.
Serves him right for trying to expose us.
Yeah, that Warren Beasley's pretty evil. Beasley is evil. Time to throw Warren Beasley into the sun.
Wait, what? Bad robot! Bad robot!
Now that might be something you need to apologize for.
Come on.
Oh, thank goodness! Atomic Puppet,
Warren Beasley, you are evil and must be tossed into the sun.
Android, leave Warren alone.
But he's evil, just like AP said. Evil's a strong word. He's mostly just annoying. Define annoying. Slightly evil. More of a pest, really. I will eliminate this pest.
No, stop right there. Logic malfunction. Atomic Puppet is protecting evil Warren Beasley. Therefore, Atomic Puppet must be evil. Eliminate Atomic Puppet.
Eliminate that!
Eliminate Atomic Puppet. He doesn't know what's real. Catch us if you can.
Must destroy Atomic Puppets.
Over here!
Over here!
Miss me!
Must destroy Atomic Puppets. Must destroy Atomic Puppets. Must destroy Atomic. Must destroy Atomic Android. Victory pose!
Warren! You okay?
I don't remember a thing, Mommy. Where am I?
It's a long story. Come on, Warren. Let's get out of here.
Okay. Mommy, will you carry me?
There.